Kalimera, I'm back in Chania and I've been looking forward to this day for a very long time since we were back in Australia. We're at Bougatsa Iordanis. Now, Bougatsa Iordanis is one of Chania's most famous food institutions and it goes back a century. The gentlemen here are just opening up the filo now, getting it as thin as possible before they wrap it up in that delicious mizitra or crema filling. Hello, Kalimera. I'll get your calamaki for you, okay? Frappe, sketo, meliorala. I can't even tell you how excited I am right now. So we've got the one with fogalo, which is the mizitra. It's salty, but they put sugar on top. I find that a lot in Crete that they love salty and sweet together. So do I. So I fit in perfectly here. I'm going in there. I'm going in. But look, for a second, you can just see how ultra thin that filo is and crisp. You can see right through it. I was here 10 months ago. It was the longest 10 months of my life. Salty, sweet, crispy, that filo, oh my God. They're a bit close. I want to see how much you love it. Well, there's only two things on the menu here, so you can't go wrong. Order both, enjoy both, have a flaky with it, and enjoy a piece of Cretan history.